Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. Please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment or in the description of the video to join. The group could be used as a medium to get your queries answered, share knowledge, etc. In this video, we'll be talking about a very high quality pharma company which Saurabh Mukherjea believes could emerge unscathed from the impending recession and possibly could benefit from it. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is Divi's Laboratories Limited, which is available at Rs 2310.90 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is DIVISLAB. Now Divi's Laboratories Limited is a holding company which engages in the manufacture of active pharmaceutical ingredients, intermediates and nutraceutical ingredients. The company was founded on October 12, 1990 and is headquartered in Hyderabad, India. Now speaking on a recent television interview, Saurabh explained that most of the stocks in his portfolio will be relatively unaffected by a global recession because they have insignificant exposure at less than 2-3% to exports for deriving their revenues. Divi's Lab is the odd one out because it exports APIs to Western countries. However, given the drugs are essential products and that it has a dominant market share of around 40 to 70%, Divi's will emerge unscathed from the recession and also may end up benefiting because the big pharma customers in the West are likely to ditch Chinese suppliers and increase their procurement of APIs from Indian pharma companies. Looking at the 1-year chart, this company has been a huge wealth creator save about the last couple of weeks, and even here the stock has recovered very fast. The market cap of the company is 61,347.13 crores, which means that this company is a large cap one. The company is trading at an expensive price to earnings ratio of 47.91, which is also much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 33.70. The price to book ratio of 8.82 is also very expensive. One positive factor for the company is that it is almost debt free. Divi's Lab has a promoter holding of 52.01%, which is slightly above average, whereas none of the promoters holding is blessed. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Also friends, please join our Telegram group, the link for which is present in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. You can go ahead and use the group for asking questions, sharing knowledge, etc. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.